Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the fact, is Bitcoin crashing? Is it going to drop below 30,000? Is it going to go to 15,000? Oh my God, the sky is falling. My hair is on fire and the world is ending. That's what some people would want you to believe right now. Okay, I firmly believe, point blank, that Bitcoin and the overall crypto market is being manipulated. I know that's a pretty obvious statement. I did a video earlier talking about Dogecoin being manipulated and things like that, and had some comments basically stating yes, the overall market is, etc. And so the point of it is that I think firmly that's what we're dealing with. I think that large institutions and the overall kind of and there's not an overall conspiracy, but they are trying to suck every single dollar they can out of this market to put it into their pockets. My point to you is, don't let fear, uncertainty, and doubt make you run away from Bitcoin, other cryptos that you have. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here front and center bringing you this information, and I want to talk to you about it. We're also going to talk about the Wyckoff method. We're going to talk about another video that I want to refer you to that you need to go watch, that's going to open your eyes, if you weren't aware of it, to the overall market scenario being manipulated and being pushed down to try to get you separated from your Bitcoin. Here we go. So we can't have a conversation about Bitcoin without looking at the overall market condition. The overall market condition is down, flat, but really down. I mean, Bitcoin itself's down 8.3 in the last 24 hours. Ethereum down 10%. Binance down 12%. Cardano down 11. XRP 11. ICP down. ICP. Let me roll this up for you so you can see it. ICP down 13%. Bitcoin Cash 12%. Litecoin down 12%. What is my point? My point is that I firmly believe that the overall market is being manipulated. Okay, there's a video from the Coin Bureau that I absolutely, beyond a shadow of a doubt, want you to go watch. Please, I'm going to link it in the comments below this video. I'm going to link to that video. Don't go there yet. Finish watching mine and then go watch his. If you've never heard of the Coin Bureau, he is an amazing content creator here on YouTube. Basically, in my opinion, has a PhD education related to crypto. I learn a lot. I learn a lot from him every single day. I watch his videos every single day. He is amazing. He gets nothing out of me referring him traffic, by the way, guys. He's got hundreds and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. There's a video over there where he talks about the Wyckoff method, market manipulation, and whales. Okay, and so you need to go check it out. It's going to open your eyes to the overall market condition. It's going to empower you to make better choices and to understand overall the market and to not necessarily be driven by fear. Okay, that's really why I want you to go watch it. Okay, so looking at right now, Bitcoin currently trading at 36,000. By the way, this irritates me. There was an article that came out today that Forbes talked about is Bitcoin is crashing. It's on its way to $30,000 and below. No, it's not. It's at 36,000. My point to you is, but the article makes you immediately look. I saw the headline. I'm like, holy crap, did Bitcoin drop $6,000, $7,000 in the last 10 minutes? It's that kind of stuff that I'm just going to say it pisses me off related to the overall market. And I think that in the media, not knowing what the heck they're talking about, sometimes they put out some article that freaks people the heck out and starts to separate them from their crypto. Frankly, it's in the stock market too. Separates them from their stocks, things of that nature. It really, really, really irritates me. You can tell I'm a little fired up about this, okay? So my point to you is Bitcoin is not crashing. It's not going to 15,000. There was an article the other day I talked about in Bitcoin. There was an analyst who's come out and said that Bitcoin's going to go to 15,000. No, it's not. I don't firmly believe that. We're going to go look at the technical chart here in a minute anyway as well. Guys, this is one of those things where just chill out. If you are stressed, you are freaking out, the overall market is not crashing. It's a situation that we've just got to kind of ride out. Okay, Bitcoin's at 36,000 and change, down 8.59%. The last 24 hours have seen us go to 35,000 and change up to 39,000 and change, okay? So right there, we're currently trading a little bit on the lower end of that 24-hour kind of spectrum. The 7-day chart here, we're going to go look at a trading view chart in just a minute, by the way. Kind of shows, again, we're trading in kind of this band, if you will, between, say, 36 and change up to maybe about what we did. We have touched 40, which is absolutely our resistance level. We're going to go look at that. But overall, guys, I want to really reiterate that this is a situation where I firmly believe the market's being manipulated. Again, via the Wyckoff method. It has been shown, there's been analyses out there that's shown that we are absolutely in a Wyckoff method market manipulation scenario for Bitcoin, period. And which is driving the overall market condition, pushing the overall market, because frankly, where Bitcoin goes, right, usually the others will follow, especially Ethereum, and the other guys, the other dominoes usually kind of fall. Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Doge, etc. You name it, the others shall fall, right? That's kind of, it's not kind of, that is what is happening. Okay, so let's take a real quick look at a trading view analysis chart. I'm not going to do a big technical analysis scenario here. My point, I want to show you a couple of key things, okay? So I want to show you right here that if we look at kind of where we've touched this bar a couple of times, okay? Right now, this is showing that $35,075 is approximately our support line. Okay, now I'm going to show you, and let's before I get off of this, let me do this, and let's do this right here. Okay, I'm going to come back to that real quickly. That's our resistance line. Okay, I want to show you something real quickly here. Now, this whole scenario right here, market manipulation and China, what I'm calling China-geddon, right? That was approximately kind of the Wednesday to Sunday scenario where you had the major sell-off. Also, I want to point out something, okay? You see in these candles, you see that when you see these really long candles where the thicker part right here, this one, when you tend to see longer candles like this, like over in here, and even in green, even when you see green longer candles, but when you see longer candles like that, guys, that's institutions. That's institutional buying and selling. Period. Okay? So you can kind of recognize institutional buying and selling. By the way, learn that little factoid from Coin Bureau. I was kind of aware of it, but he confirmed it. Again, huge fan. Okay, so this is absolutely market manipulation. To me, get my little trusty thing right here. This is 2. I think that this is firmly market manipulation. This is the Wyckoff method in play. Again, go check out the video below, okay, after you get done watching mine, okay? All right, so our support level is 35,000 and change. That is absolutely our support level. Are we going to crash to 15,000, 20,000? I mean, there's just the content out there. Probably not, but right now, I can't lay any bets. The data showing this that we've touched, this 35,000 right there. We've touched it 3 times, excuse me. I'm not going to count this because this, again, is right here. This is market manipulation, period, end of story. That's what that is. I think that is. Market manipulation, China-geddon, right there, okay? So if you look at kind of these 2 scenarios where we've touched and we bounce, touched and we bounce, to me, that's establishing that is our support line. Now, our resistance line, everybody knows this. Our resistance, and talks about it per se, our resistance at the top is 40,000, where we've peaked up, not quite 40,000 here, 39,000 and change, kind of bounced back down. So we're getting selling pressure down. Again, I'm just going to keep saying this. I know I sound like a freaking broken record. Wyckoff method, institutions. There's one of the dogs. That's the male dog. You can hear him. He's guarding the door. Somebody was probably literally walking by, and he considers it his job in life to protect us. Okay, I think that again, this is our next resistance level. We've got to break out and go over 40,000. But with institutional selling happening to push it down and trying to frankly separate you from your Bitcoin, separate you from your Ethereum, any of your crypto holding, trying to throw FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt in the marketplace. Don't let it happen. Not investment advice. And sell or buy is your own. It's your own scenario, right? But I firmly believe that this is exactly the same thing that's played out here. Could we break below 35,000? It's possible, but I don't really see that happening right at this moment in time. I think that we're looking good. And you notice right now, I mean, we've got a little bit of a bounce back happening right here. We've got a little bit of a bounce back scenario happening, kind of as we speak, if you will. And this is set to 1 hour time frame, so it's literally kind of going. It's obviously doing its thing live. And so again, guys, I really wanted to make this video for you to try to let you know. And I'm trying to keep this video around 10 minutes, so I keep looking at my clock to make sure I'm doing okay. I'm going to end there, and we're going to talk about the fact that, I think that that's where we're at, and don't let fear, uncertainty, and doubt kind of run you out of the market. Please, 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 please don't let that happen. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, drop a like. Love to hear from you. Drop in the comments below. I'll see you down the road. Later. Bye.